Hello, welcome to the Chonka video. 2 videos in 1 day, look at that. So these 2 door hinges need replacement on this, my 06 Signature L. The door sags just a little bit. I managed to find these 2 brand new OEM Ford door hinges, both made in Canada. This is for the lower one right here, and this is the upper one right here. Paint to match, but I didn't want these painted. There's a place I like here that's called Minor Express here in Des Moines, and they quoted me $215 to replace them, which is honestly a really good deal. You don't have to remove the front bumper cover or anything else, just kind of take the door off. Here's the price breakdown if you would like to look at it. They were going to charge you like $60 and $50 for each hinge, but these are less than that, so I saved about $100 just buying them myself. Looks like we have the left cowl grill. Isn't that over there? Oh, there might be something in here. Then we have to remove and reassemble the door assembly is 1.6 hours, so 2.8 hours worth of labor time to get that done. Made the appointment Wednesday. Going to drop this off Tuesday evening, and we are going to get this figured out and done. And we are back from the body shop. Well, okay, so they are done. They did get the hinges in. See the new ones right here. I asked for them. They asked me if I wanted them painted. I said no, so that would have been an extra cost. I didn't really pay for it too bad. Some good things to know is that this door, this door hinge movement feels a lot more solid than what it did before. It doesn't sag, like almost not at all, and it's a lot tighter than what it was. You can really feel the spots where, I don't know, it kind of latches or stops moving, would hold the door open a little bit. How stiff this is even better than my white one, which still has the factory hinges, and actually it has a lot less miles than this thing does, even though this has like 101,000. This might as well drives like it has 160,000 on it. If talking to the body guy, and apparently I don't know if this panel was replaced or repainted at some time, because both the door panels were taken apart at some point. So I just don't know if this has been replaced at all or done any body work too. But when I got the vehicle back from the body shop, I just went there and picked it up after they were dropped off. I noticed that there was this howling noise, wind noise, or whistling coming from this area of the door panel. So it wasn't lined up at all, and the first pictures you saw before watching the video is the alignment of this chrome trim was way off center. This panel should be flush along with it, which is this side's a little bit low and that side's a little bit high, but it's almost the only way he could have gotten it so it would stop making that howling noise. Again, maybe he could have only gotten it like this because this had some sort of body damage at some point that got fixed on it. So I dropped it back off this morning and I had to sneeze there for a second. And I finally got it back from the shop, and this is pretty much it. The howling noise is gone and the hinge doesn't sag like it did before, but the panel alignment is not the same as it was from factory. This alignment is good enough. This alignment from here to here is good enough. But we can see this kind of dip right here, and that's because of the hinge mechanism is pushed back. And I think if I try popping this more forward, that it will start howling again, which is, you win some, you lose some, and I'm not incredibly happy with how this looks, but I am somewhat glad that the hinges are replaced now at one hell of a discount, to be honest. The posts, I paid about a little less than $100 for them, OEM posts from Full Post Shiny, which discounts posts. And then the body labor on it was like $169 or $219. I think it was like $219. Or was it $169? It was somewhere between that number range. So the shop at $78 an hour, 2.8 hours to do this by the book, is a lot cheaper than what even the dealership would have charged. Well, that's pretty much this video. Happy to have the limo back and in one piece still, and still sounds and rides amazing. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. I can't make it perfect, but I can sure as hell try. It's still my dream car, even if it's little knick-knack flaws. I still love it. Still love it.